Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through exactly the process of managing incoming wholesale requests, reviewing their details, approving their account, and assigning them to a specific pricing group so they can start purchasing. So let's get started. Navigate to your apps and open Smind B2B. On the left-hand menu, click Registration and choose Customer Management, then select All Customers to see where we control new applications. If you are just starting out, you will see a screen that says No Customer Requests Yet. Since we don't have any requests, we need to see where applications end up and how to submit a test one so you know exactly what your buyers experience. Head over to your storefront and click on the registration form link in the top navigation menu. Now we complete the form exactly as a wholesale buyer would. Here is exactly what goes into each field. Your company name. You need to enter the official legal name of the business. Tax ID. You should input the business's registered tax identification number, which the admin usually needs to verify their wholesale status. Email. You have to provide the primary contact email address where you will get their account updates. Street address. Apartment. City. Postal zip code. And finally, country. Click Next and you have to answer the question like how do you find us, so you can select any answer you prefer. Then choose your payment preferences like net credit terms, check the box of Agree to the terms, and hit Submit. You will see a success pop up on the screen and the app instantly fires off an automated confirmation email to the applicant. This email, titled Update on Your Wholesale Account Application, professionally thanks them for applying and lets them know your team is reviewing the request and will be in touch shortly. Now let's jump back into your admin dashboard to process that application we just submitted. Head back to All Customers in the Smind B2B app. You will now see your test application sitting there with a pending status. Click directly on that customer's row to open up their full profile. Take a look through the information they provided to make sure everything looks solid and meets your business requirements. Then check out the right side of your screen for the tax exemption settings. If this wholesale buyer shouldn't be charged tax, simply check the box that says this customer is tax exempt. Click the Approve Request button at the bottom and click Save. You'll see the status badge in the top right corner immediately change to Approved. If you ever need to fix certain things in their info later, just click the Edit button at the top of their profile, make your changes, and hit Save. The customer is approved, but now we need to create a specific group for them so they get the correct regional pricing. Go back to the left-hand sidebar under the Registration menu and click on Customer Groups. Look up to the top right of your screen and click the Create New button. In the Customer Group Name field, type B2B Buyer US. This keeps things organized so you always know where your American wholesale clients are grouped. Scroll down a bit to the Targeting section. Click into the search bar under Selected Customers, type in the email address of the customer you just approved, and select them to drop them right into this new group. Keep scrolling down to the Wholesale Pricing Configuration section. Click the Add Pricing Rule button. From the drop-down, select the discount rule you want to give them. If you want to create a new one, you can also click to create a new one. Finally, look over at the right-hand side panel under Group Summary. Change the Group Status drop-down from Draft to Active, and then click the Save button at the top right of your screen. And that's it. You now know exactly how to process wholesale applications from start to finish using the Smind B2B app. If you get stuck or have any questions, our support team is just a click away. Thanks for watching.